Dear student, welcome to my online maths class. Today I am going to discuss about the scientific notation. So we have seen that in particularly in physics, chemistry and biology, some figures are written in scientific notation. Then we'll discuss today what is the requirement to convert a number in scientific notation. And we'll discuss what is scientific notation and what is the use of scientific notation. So before starting with an example, let me tell you what is the use of scientific notation. Scientific notation is used to write a number that are too big or too small to be conveniently written in decimal form. In scientific notation, generally we used to write a number in two parts. So later on I'll show you with an example. Scientific notation is used in particularly in mathematics, then scientific and engineering works. So let me take an example. Suppose if we take suppose first of all we'll take a big number. So let it be 530695210. So it is a bigger number, and some numbers are more than that also. Suppose the distance of the sun from the earth, then the population of a nation. So these are very big number. So if we want to write it in our copy, so it is very inconvenient. So the scientific notation is introduced. So it is a bigger number. So how we can convert it? I told you in scientific notation generally we used to write a number in two parts. So what is the first part and what is the second part? Generally in the first part we used to write in such a way that the numbers should be 1 or more than 1 and less than 10. So this is the range. The number should be equal to 1 or more than 1 and less than 10. And the second part is in the power notation, that is 10 to the power any number, mean in the power notation having base 10. So let me solve it in scientific notation. So generally in a number, is there any decimal? Is there any decimal? So we are not, we cannot see any decimal here. So actually the decimal is always there. So we have to think that the decimal is there only. So when we'll convert it, so first of all we have to convert it in the in a number in such a way that it should be 1 or more than 1 and less than 10. So we'll write it 5 point. So the point will shift it here. So 5.306952 and 0 is there. So after decimal, no need to put these two zeros. So we can write up to this. So I think you can understand. So decimal is shifted here. So it is put here up just after 5. So if I put it there, so here will be 53. So which is more than 10. So the decimal should be put after 5 only, so that it should be more than 1 or equal to 1 or less than 10. And the second part, in the second part we'll write it in the power of base 10. So what will be the exponent now? So let me count here. Here we shifted the decimal. How many places? We have to count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we shifted the decimal in 9 decimal places. So as it is shifted to 9 decimal places towards the left, so we'll write here 10 to the power 9. So this is the simple way how we can convert a number into scientific notation. Now we'll take another example. Which is too small. So let me write a number which is very small, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 1. Suppose a number. So it is comparatively smaller number. So this number also, if we want to write it, so it is very inconvenient. So let me write it in scientific notation. Then first of all, what we have to do? So we have to shift the decimal into that place. That is just after 1. So there the first part is 1 or more than 1 and less than 10. So we'll write it 1.23691. So this is our first part, and in the second part it will be in the power of 10. Now what will be the power? So as we shifted the decimal towards the right side, here will be minus. The exponent will be minus. Then by how much? As we shifted 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places, so here will be minus 4. So this is all about the scientific notation and how to convert a scientific notation. Thank you.